Hi guys, I'm Yvon Donko, Senior Consultant at CAM Asset Consulting. We are specialized in Microsoft technologies, Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automate, and so on. So I have a series of more than 20 video to post. This is video number 5. Okay, so in previous video, I showed you things like creating a custom connector from scratch for Zoom and how to create a Zoom meeting directly from Dynamics 365, how to get registrants to a Zoom meeting, how to get participants to a Zoom meeting. In this video, I show you how to get those who have registered and who have participated to the Zoom meeting. So Zoom meeting register and participate. So the purpose is just to identify emails that are under the registrant and also participant to display the corresponding record here, avoiding duplicates, of course, because users will run the flow on demand. Okay, now let me show you first how the flow works, and then I will show you and explain you how I have built this flow. So I go from here, I have flow, registrant who are participants. This is the correct flow to execute in this example or in this scenario. It is opening. I want to get registrant who are participant. So it's opening the iframe. Okay. It's taking time. Network is okay. Okay. Loading. Let us wait a little bit. It's fine. It's a little bit heavy. Taking time. Now connecting. Okay, I can run my flow. Done. Very good. So the flow is running. Okay, background, and I can refresh. Okay, so you see, these are the two emails repeating in the two tables. This first one and the last one, you have the same first one and last one. That is why you have these two records. So these are those who have registered to my Zoom meeting and who have really participated. Okay, so now let me show you how the flow has been done. Okay, this is the flow, the trigger when a record is selected, environment default, table name events. Okay, I have to list my 3 tables. Okay, and I use a OData filter to retrieve records corresponding to the event. Okay, the event from where I run the flow. I also use a OData filter for participant and the final table where I store registrant and participant, those who are registrant participants at the same time. I also filter it according to events. Okay, now I will pass the tree and select data. Okay, so I pass the registrant from here. I pass the participant. I've already showed you in previous video how to easily generate the schema. And I also pass the registrant and participant, the final table. Now I make a selection. Okay, this is the data operation select, and I pass the body of the pass registrant and participant. This is my key, and These are the corresponding values. This is just the compose, okay, of the previous operation. I also select the registrant, okay, email, even full name, and these are the corresponding value to different keys. So this is a concatenation of first name and last name to get the full name. This is the compose of the previous operation. Okay, now I filter registrants to insert. Okay, so I take my registrant, my array containing the registrant, okay, the registrants, and I will filter removing items already recorded in registrant and participants. Okay, so this is the purpose of this filter. So now I also select the participants like this, as I have also selected the others. So I select the participant. Compose is just to compose the output of the previous operation. Filter participant to insert. Okay, so from here I will also filter the participants, okay, and remove those who are already recorded in the final table, registrant and participant. Okay, now compose, filter array registrant to insert. So I just compose filter array participant to insert. Okay, so I just compose the two the output of the two filter operation for registrant and participant. And remember, I have removed items corresponding or that are already stored in the final table. Now, from here, I retrieve the emails of registrants coming from the filtered array of registrants. So that filter array does not contain items already inserted in the final table. I just retrieve the emails corresponding and do this. I do the same for participant. Okay, so I remove or I just collect emails from the participant array containing items not already inserted, okay, in the final table. I just retrieve the email. So now I will do this in this compose operation. I use the intersection to find emails to insert. Or no, I'm not going to insert just the emails, of course, but emails corresponding to items to insert. Okay, so this is the intersection: emails registrant, emails participant. Okay, so that intersection will give me just emails corresponding to items I must insert because not yet inserted in the final table. So this filter operation is because from here I just get the emails, but to insert records, it's not just the email I need. I also need the full name. Okay, so this operation is to retrieve other key values, in this case the full name associated with the email. So from here, filter array registrant to insert. I could also choose filter array participant to insert. So I just take original array containing all the key values of my items I need. Okay, and here I just take the result of the decompose, okay, containing item emails. So this is quite simple. Because I have retrieved emails, I must corresponding to item to be inserted. But to get to go in the loop, I don't want just the emails. I want the whole, okay, the whole data, emails and full name. Now to easily retrieve it, I can take maybe the registrant to insert or the participant to insert, and I filter it corresponding to the emails, okay, providing to the intersection. So I can now enter in my loop with filter items to insert, this one, and this is the table, my final table. This is the full name, okay. This is item full name, item even, item email, and I showed you in the previous video how to reference a lookup in a flow. So okay, registrant or participant, both, and so on. This is the unique identifier of the record. So this is simply how the flow has been done, and thank you for watching, and see you next time for another video. Thank you.